What's up, YouTube? What's up, DN Mafia? It's your boy Dolce, man. I'm back with another banger, man. You already know what it is, man. Look, y'all. Y'all seen all them pranks NESHA been getting me with, y'all. NESHA been getting me with some crazy ass pranks lately. And they been going viral as hell, you feel me? So I've been getting clowned all over the world, you feel me? So right now, y'all, I'm about to get NESHA with the craziest banger of all times. I need y'all to make this go viral, y'all. Help me get me a little viral video. She got all them viral videos, the poop prank, the period prank, the cutting my hair. All these videos went viral, you feel me, while I was asleep, you feel me? She did all these while I was asleep. So now I'm about to prank her ass while she sleep, y'all. Right now she in the room taking a little quick nappy nap, you feel me? When she need to be getting up, because it is like around 7 o'clock or something like that, you feel me? At night, you feel me? Need to be getting up right now. But look, soon she, I'm about to get her ass so good, y'all. I'm about to make some fake snot, y'all, and act like I just snotted everywhere. Yeah. Damn, I can't see shit. Let me turn this light on. Damn, I don't know that shit. Maybe on light. What the fuck? Y'all, it's go time, y'all. I got my snot. Let's get it. What
the fuck is in my ear? What is that? Daddy, what is you doing?
What happened? My bad.
What is this? What is this in my face?
My bad.
What do you mean you're bad? What is this?
That was some snot shit. I just
I know you fucking lying. You are lying. You gotta be lying, Daddy. I swear to God, this is not no snot. Like, stop playing. I'm about to bust the tears right now. This cannot be snot. Why are you playing with me, Daddy?
I fucked up. I was asleep. I woke up on my sleep. I was sneezing. I thought I was in the
What the fuck is this? A booger?
NESHA's
I swear to God.
It's probably a whole lot of boogers, NESHA.
How about the
I'm telling you right now.
Like, why
You
would
ain't
you
gotta
do
throw
that?
probably a whole lot of boogers. It is what it is.
What the fuck? It is.
I fucked up. I think I had a dream. I was in a pepper factory or something. I was smelling all type of peppers and all type of shit in my dream.
Peppers my ass. Like, why would you do this to me now?
You sound dumb as fuck. I ain't walking out just sneeze out the blue. I was sleep dreaming about
What you mean like you did sneeze out the blue?
NESHA, I told you what happened.
Oh my God. I was just...
That ain't my fault.
Wipe this off. I can't even. I can't. I'm about to be sick, gang. Wipe this off.
I'm not about to wipe that shit off. You wipe it off. Wipe that shit off yourself. The fuck?
Don't get this off of me.
I'm not about to touch no motherfucking body else snot. The fuck? Damn. I'm gonna go to sleep. Can you clean your side? Cause your side fucked up now. Can you get all that boogers and snot off your side now? Damn, the fuck? I'm not about to sleep on that shit.
Daddy, stop playing with me. Why is you playing with me right now? I taste no other air on you.
I threw up a little bit when I don't know what I don't know what I was doing in my dreams. I swear to God, but I know I was smelling a whole lot of pepper. I swear to God, and I just woke up sneezing everywhere, and snot came out, blood. You see the red?
It's okay to smell on somebody's face. Like, I swear to God, I could kill you right now. Like, I swear to God, because you're being ignorant as fuck about it. You ain't even trying to ask me right now, but that's the fuck. I don't give a fuck.
You just flick some motherfucking snot on my
face. It's your shit.
NESHA's getting all of my ears and shit. No, put that shit on me. I'm telling you right now, because my ears break out. The fuck? I can't put my earrings in.
If your ears break out, it's all in my. You just put that shit all in my motherfucking ear. My ear got clogged up.
Yeah, mine.
Like, how you got that much snot? What's wrong with your thick nose ass? I swear to God.
I was getting sick too. Like, I was getting sick.
I really like you. Really. You got me fucked up. Why would you do that? Why would you do that nasty shit? You nasty as fuck.
NESHA.
I can't.
What the fuck? That was a mistake. Damn, what the fuck?
Why the fuck would you come out and do that shit again?
I was walking past. I was trying to hurry get. I was trying to get to the tissue, NESHA.
Yeah, that's what that nigga fuck
I'm trying to get to the tissue.
Come here, I swear to God, I'm gonna break your motherfucking face. For real,
You got
you doing too much.
You got snot boogers and they got blood on them. Like, I was thinking I was getting sick.
I ain't never got blood on me.
I was digging in my
I know
nose.
for a motherfucking thing, I ain't got no booger ass blood on me.
I was digging in my nose before I went to sleep. The fuck? I was digging in my nose.
I wanted to brush you because you're a nasty bitch, and I'm gonna tell you that right now, you nasty fuck with your fat headed ass.
Your dog called me fat-headed and all that. You wanted motherfucking divorce because I threw some snot came on my nose and some little boogers and some little blood with it. Like, hey, what could I say? It is what it is. I'm not in the wrong. What is you talking about?
Get out. You can
Get your ass in the shower and just wash your hair and everything.
You can turn it off.
How am I turn off?
Turn it off.
It was a mistake. Damn.
What do you want? Don't you gotta sneeze somewhere and come in the door looking at me down?
Shut the fuck up. I go in the door when I want to because I don't want doors closed in my house.
Well,
The fuck? Damn. The fuck? Damn. Now I can sneeze again. Oh, now I just held that bitch in. That was a good ass one too. That bitch was gonna have snot, boogers, blood, and shit everywhere in this bitch. Damn. I just held that one in. I wish I could have had the one in before that I snotted all over you and shit, but that shit was hard to hold in and shit, and I stink now. What you doing? You died in that bitch? You died in this bitch? What is you doing? What is you doing? Don't hit me or nothing because I'm telling you right now that was just snot, a little bit of snot.
Can't stand you, like you nasty as fuck.
You nasty as fuck, you ain't about to wash up after all that snot and blood and boogers and shit?
I'll wipe myself off. Like, what am I washing up all over again for? Where's the cover?
Listen, we wear a cover. You got a cover right there. You gotta go wash
I'm
this
not
stuff.
touching
This
that.
boogers and snot all on this cover right here, Nisha. What is you doing? You get this shit up?
What the fuck you mean when I'm doing?
Where I'm sleeping at?
I don't know where you sleep, but I'm sleeping on the couch. If you bring your ass out, I swear to God, I'm gonna shoot you in your motherfucking foot. And I put that on my life and my kids'
So you
life.
got mad because you got snot on the corner of your
Look at
mouth.
my fucking pillow. I'm about to be
Did you
fucking
taste
sick.
it?
Now look at my pillow.
Them boogers.
That's nasty as fuck.
Every human got
You
boogers.
not sick? That look like something when somebody fucking sick.
I was digging in my nose. Like,
That look like...
I was digging in my nose and I think I scratched it or something and my shit was bleeding earlier.
So you ain't over your wife and sneezing and
I
shit
told you I
over.
was having a dream that I was at a motherfucking a pepper factory, the fuck? And I was smelling all type of pepper, like new ones, old ones, 2020 pepper, like.
So what will make you think it's okay
And
to
I just woke up and
just lean
sneezed.
over to me instead of fucking over here?
Oh,
Like, you
hey, everybody know pepper make you sneeze. It ain't my fault. My dreams is their fault. The fuck, man? The fuck? Can you move?
Why you
Can you
think
move?
it's a game?
You still got something on your
I
neck
ain't got
right
none of
there.
it, so I wash my neck.
You got some. You got something on your neck right there. Let me get it off. Can I get the booger? It's a booger, Nisha.
I bet never know.
I swear it's a booger. It's a booger. It's a booger. That's a booger. Ugh.
Why the fuck you get off me? Don't tell me that's what I got.
Shit ain't my fault. That's a
I'm
booger.
done. I'm done.
That
I'm
was a
done.
booger. You done with me?
I'm done too.
Over snot?
Oh, it's not.
Over snot.
Oh, is you hearing? Oh, it's not.
Is you hearing this? What the fuck you just say?
Look at that shit. Oh,
This
it's
booger and
not.
shit, but it is what it is. That's
Like
like,
I should expose you right now. Like you nasty as fuck. You like
I can't touch my mouth now. I got snot boogers and shit all on my hands. Shit.
Oh, you would turn on.
Hey, it is what it is. My forehead big as fuck. It probably came from my forehead too, like some snot came from down there or something. I don't know. I probably got snot all in
You
my.
serious?
That's why
Like, you
my
really did that to me?
but when I do it,
You really did
it was a
that.
mistake.
You
An
really
honest
did
mistake.
that.
I ain't mean to put no snot on your face. I ain't mean to do none of that type
Like,
of shit.
I had fucking 5 kids and ain't none of them. Play with me if you want to. I swear to God, I would.
It was
Let me
bloody.
get my gun. I'm about to shoot your ass.
Here's bloody here.
Danny, I swear to God,
You
don't
gonna wash the
fucking
pillows and shit?
Don't fucking play with me.
Cause I gotta wash up, man. I gotta do shit. Shit got all on my wedding ring and everything. You don't feel better, man. You don't feel better. It's a prank. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Okay, so go on. What's
That's
on
some
my
that's some
shit? What is
dressing
that?
shit. But I put some little.
How's that dressing? That looks nasty as fuck. Like some 6 knots. That's not funny.
Y'all, the camera right
Don't
here.
come by me.
Move, this a prank. Y'all, the camera, look. That shit look nasty, don't
Why
it?
would you play
Like boogers all on her face and shit, y'all. That was crazy. Y'all, this prank right here was a banger,
No,
y'all.
it wasn't.
This was a banger. This was an ultimate banger right here. Ultimate banger of
I'm
escapes.
still sitting on the couch. I don't know where you.
Look, man, it was a banger,
Out
though.
there, and I swear to
It was a
God,
banger. It was a prank. That was the little dressing shit. They want no boogers or nothing.
I'm sleeping on the couch, and if you come out there, I'm shooting you in your foot.
You ain't shoot me and shit. I'll beat your ass. I'll beat your ass. Boop, boop, boop. You feel me? Your face is gonna wash your ass then. Yo, dirty booty
I
eye.
wash my face.
Yo, dirty booty eye. Yo, dirty booty eye. Y'all, I just pranked the hell out of Nisha, man. If y'all feeling this video, man, comment down below. Team Dolce in the building, man, because you already know what it is. I had to wake her up with something. Y'all seen all them pranks she got on me that went viral, you feel me? Her cutting my hair in my sleep. Her, what is it? Name some more. Name some more. What is the other ones? Her cutting her hair in my sleep. Cutting my hair, my dreads off in my sleep, you feel me? Her, I forget. What's the other ones?
Stay tuned.
What's the other ones? Ain't no stay
I
tuned.
got something that's about to.
What's the other? Oh yeah, the little poop prank that just went viral crazy everywhere, still going
And I got
crazy.
something that's about to top that. I promise you. So you better watch your motherfucking back, you nasty as
Whoa,
fuck.
that ain't no that was fake.
I don't care.
That wasn't no real snot.
Think that.
Cause I had to think of something to get
Yeah,
your ass with.
okay.
I had to think of something. This is a banger. my throat. Damn, I think my shit still fucked up from the day when you punched me in my shit. The fuck? Damn. I'll beat your ass. 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 Alright, y'all, man. I love y'all, man. This team Dolce in the building. I just pranked NESHA good as hell.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel because I'm about to prank him on my channel.
No, you're not. You're not about to prank me on there. You're not about to prank me. You ain't gonna
Ain't nothing he can do about it. Ain't nothing he can do about it.
Damn, why my
Go
neck
subscribe
hurt?
to All About NESHA because you ain't gonna want to miss this. I swear to God.
Well, subscribe to Dolce TV then, you feel me? Y'all, the link's gonna be in the comments down below. Subscribe to both of our main channels. We blowing up over there on our main channels too. You already know what it is. Subscribe to this channel. Well, you know what I mean. Like I'm saying, like our personal channels. You dig me? But man, we love y'all, man. This team Dolce in the building. Let's get it, man. Gang.